So if you want to minimize YouTube videos on your Android phone while playing it, then let me walk you through exactly what you need to do that will allow you to minimize the YouTube video just like this. So go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Click on the U button at the bottom right. Click on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down, locate and click on playback. Under playback, locate picture in picture. If picture in picture is turned off, you will not be able to watch YouTube video in a minimize mode, or you will not be able to minimize YouTube video. The moment you close the YouTube application, the video is going to close as well. Now, you need to go back to that settings page and then locate the playback and turn on picture in picture. Once picture in picture is turned on, and then you are watching the video on YouTube, if you swipe up, then you should see the YouTube video minimized, and then you are good. So that's basically how to minimize YouTube video on Android phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.